Today we are preparing ugali and cabbage. We are in Africa. We are located in Embu, Eastern Kenya. Welcome. Delicious. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, follow and like my page. Today we are cooking ugali and cabbage. Welcome. Life in the village is so hard. Thank you. And thank you for 230 subscribers. I love you. And make sure you have boiled water. Add flour. Then you start mixing well. Mix flour and water to make a good ugali. Until it is ready. On the other side, remove the outer cover of a cabbage. Make sure you wash with the clean water. Continue cutting your cabbage into pieces. While the ugali is in the other side. Prepare your cabbage well. Wow. Ugali is ready. We can remove ugali from the jiko. In the village, our sufurias are black in color, outer cover. Prepare your onion. Start preparing your onion. Cut onion into pieces.
1, 2, 3.
Add some oil. Make sure there is enough firewood, and you can put onions on the kitchen. Make sure sufurias are stable. Start frying onions first. You fry onion until they are brown, golden brown in color. You can start by preparing your tomatoes. Cut your tomatoes into pieces. After the onion have turned brown, add tomatoes. Mix well. Add some salt. You can add your cabbage now. Stir until they are ready. You can put your cover on top. Your cabbage is ready now. You can mix it like that. Wow, they are turned brown. They are turned brown. Wow. The food is ready to serve. Kindly subscribe, follow our page. We are located at Embu, Eastern Africa. The food is served ugali and cabbage, all the same. Wow, delicious. Enjoy. Enjoy the meal. Wow.